Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your health services with Cigna, detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your health services with Cigna, start by gathering your account information. Have your Cigna ID number and personal details ready, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Visit the official Cigna website for the latest contact information. Locate the customer service phone number on the website. Call the customer service number during their business hours. When connected, clearly state that you wish to cancel your health services. Be prepared to verify your identity by providing the account information you gathered. The representative may ask you additional questions about your reason for cancellation. Listen carefully to their instructions about the cancellation process. Request a confirmation of your cancellation in writing for your records. After the call, check your email for a confirmation from Cigna. If you do not receive a confirmation, follow up with customer service. If you prefer written communication, you can also send a cancellation request via certified mail. Include your Cigna ID number and personal information in the letter. Make sure to keep a copy of the letter and the mailing receipt for your records. After cancellation, monitor your bank statements for any further charges. If charges appear, contact Cigna immediately to address the issue. Document all communication regarding your cancellation for future reference. Finally, ensure you have alternative health coverage in place if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.